Hi, myself Dr. Nemkal Manjunatha. Today I am going to explain you regarding about the BSc second semester syllabus. In that physical chemistry we will going to deal, and in this case today we will going to learn regarding about the liquid state. This is the allotted for the VSKB University prescribed syllabus, and in the liquid state of the matter, before the liquid state we will going to focus on the state of the matter. Already we are familiar with the three states of matter. One is gaseous state, second one is a liquid state, third one is solid state, and we already known the fourth state of matter, that is nothing but a plasma. But we will going to focus only on the three states of matter. In the gaseous state, in this case there is having a lot of space. In that space there is a movement of the molecules takes place randomly, and the interaction between the one molecules to another molecules is very less compared to that of the liquid. Where that is in case of the liquid there is a less, means this is having a large intermolecular force of attraction as compared to the gases, but less interaction as in case of, as we compare with the solid state of the matter. But it shows the a flow nature when we are compared with the solid. But whereas in case of the solid there is no movement takes place within the molecules, and there is no flow in a solid state of the matter, but it is having a definite shape. And when you are having the intermolecular space of attraction between the molecules is very strong as we compare with the gaseous as well as the liquid state of the matter. Okay, but even though we are having a three states of the matter, why we have to learn the liquid state of the matter? Because this liquid state of the matter is a component. It is nothing but this is arises because of the combination of the solid crystallinity as well as the liquid. Okay, then we will going to have the liquid state of the matter, means this is associated with the both the nature of the solid as well as the liquid. Before the liquid state of the matter, we will going to learn what is the intermolecular force of attraction is exist in the solid as well as the liquid. We are having different types of the interaction intermolecular forces in liquid, but today we will going to focus only on the three intermolecular forces that is exist in the liquid states of the matter. In first it is focus we will going to focus on the dipole interaction, and second one is known as London forces, third one hydrogen bonding. Okay, first we will deal with the dipole interaction. Dipole, this is mainly due to the origination of the charge, means partially positive charge and partially negative charge takes place within the molecules. When there is a partially positive charge and partially negative charge takes place within the molecules, means one atom must be the electropositive and another one atom must be the electronegative. Okay, when you are having the example, for example, when you are having the molecules of hydrochloric acid. In hydrochloric acid, the chlorine gets a partially negative charge, means that the electron density is more and more in case of the chlorine, means that's why it gets a partially positive charge. For that of the hydrogen, means hydrogen, it is having a partially positive charge. In that there is a permanent force of a partial permanent attraction takes place. That's why this is a dipole interaction. Permanent, this is a permanent one. But when you are having the London force, this is also known as a dispersion force, because in this case there is a accumulation of charge takes place equally on the atom or the molecules. When in case of the charge density is moves either towards the right side or towards the left side. Okay, let us consider when the charge density is moves towards the right side. When there is accumulation of charge is greater in the right side, means when it is having a greater electron charge, then this gets a partially a negative charge, and in the left side it gets a partially positive charge. In that moment it induces, because of the dispersion or the movement of the electron at any certain time, means this possesses a momentarily polarity. This possesses a momentarily polarity. This type of momentarily polarity molecules, when it exists, means in that moment it is known as a London force of attraction. This type of London force of attraction mainly we will see in case of the HOMO molecules. For that of the chlorine, bromine, oxygen, chlorine, bromine, oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen, like that molecules we will going to see. And this instantaneous and induced dipole is also called as the London forces as well as a dispersion forces. And third one, this is nothing but the hydrogen bonding. This hydrogen bonding, this is mainly due to by the species or the molecules that is having the hydrogen in the molecules. This hydrogen is having a partially positive charge that gets attracted by the partially negative charge of the other ion present in a molecules. In that, this is mainly due to by the this oxygen, means this is partially negatively charged particle, negatively charged atom is having the unshared pair of electrons. When there is a attraction between the partially positive charge with respect to the electron pair, there is an origination of the hydrogen bond takes place. Okay, this type of bond is also known in case of the methanol, ethanol as well as acid component. Okay, next we will came to know the definition regarding about the liquid crystal. Why the liquid crystal is going to have? Because when a compound when it is heated at a certain temperature, it gets turned into a turbidity condition, turbid solution or turbidity state. And after, when we are going to increase the temperature, this gets a clear liquids. When we are having the, or when we reach the high temperature, we will going to have the clear liquids. Means when we are having the turbidity state, this state is also known as a liquid crystals, and this temperature is known as a transition point. And above the turbidity, means above, when the turbidity gets converted into a clear liquid, that temperature is known as a melting point. For the liquid crystal, we will going to see the, in liquid crystal we will going to have the ether as well as ester type of the component it consists. Basically cholesterol benzoate is an best example for the liquid crystal. When we are heated at 145 degrees centigrade, it converted into a turbidity state, and this turbidity state is converted into a clear liquid at 175 degrees centigrade. In the same way, we will going to have the few more example. One is para azoxyanisole. When we are heated at 115 degree, it gets converted into a turbidity state, and after the turbidity state, when you are heated up to the 137 degrees centigrade, it converted into a clear liquids. For in the same way, para-azoxyphenolate, when you are heated, this is the transition point, and 167 degrees centigrade, it is known as the melting point. In the same way, third one example is meant for the para-methoxycinnamic acid. At 170 degree, it gets converted into a turbid state. This turbid state is nothing but a liquid crystal state, and at 186 degrees centigrade, it is converted into a clear liquid. And for the liquid, we will going to have the three different types of liquids. In the three different types of the liquid, we will going to have in 3 different steps we will going to have that one, and in that we will going to see that we will going to have, and in that one is smectic liquids, and second one pneumatic liquids, third one caustic liquid crystals. We will going to have the 3 different types of the liquid crystals. Smectic liquids, okay, in smectic liquids this is arranged one above the other, okay. In this case there is no flow of the molecules takes, or there is no flow of the molecules takes place. That's why it has a limited mobility, and when there is no mobility means the velocity is also is not considered in this case. And viscosity, it is not applicable for this type of smectic liquids. But when you are having the dispersion diffraction, there is only one direction of diffraction takes place for the smectic type of liquid crystal. The best example for the smectic type of liquid is ethyl peroxybenzoate. Second one, pneumatic liquids. This pneumatic liquids is having the mobility because it shows the movement of the molecules, movement of the liquids takes place. That's why it shows the normal flow behavior. And viscosity, it is also applicable for the pneumatic type of the liquid crystals, and this type of the liquid is having the characters that is turbidity and shows the anisotropic in nature. And if the polarized light of the liquid is appeared to have the, this is looks like a thread-like structure. The example for this one is para-azoxyanisole, para-azoxyphenolate. Third one is caustic type of the liquid. This type of the liquid is optically active, and this is also shows the some strong color effect. And it is also shows the crystal having a thicker and also the larger in order of 500 to 5000 molecular thickness. Such of the liquid is shows the crystal having the nature of the both the pneumatic as well as smectic type of the characters. The best example is known as a cholesterol benzoate. And finally we will going to have the application of this type of the liquid crystal. Because of the nature of the liquid crystals, it shows the means it is also used in the thermometer because it shows the response towards the temperature, and it is also used in optical images for the diagnosis treatment. And it is because of the arrangement of this pattern, it is used in the helmet bulletproof jackets because which resists the bullets, and it also resists the bullet. And even though there is it is also used in the battery testing strips, and moreover it is widely used in laptop, mobile, project as well as calculator screens. And finally this type of the liquid crystals is also used in a polymer based materials, because this polymer type of the materials mainly it is used for the making of the tires, because a puncture resistance bicycle is also tires is also prepared by having this type of the liquid crystals. And one more point, okay, thank you.